Which IWC watch is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're going to explore 5 incredible options that blend style and function seamlessly. Product number 1, Timex Easy Reader. First up, we have the Timex Easy Reader. At just $44.10, this watch caught my eye with its clear and legible dial. If you want a watch that combines simplicity with effortless style, this is worth a serious look. The Easy Reader is all about functionality. With a genuine leather strap that adjusts easily, it sits comfortably on your wrist. Plus, the INDIGLO backlight is a game changer. It allows you to read the time in the dark with just a push of a button. The watch is also water-resistant up to 30 meters, which is handy for everyday use. With over 18,000 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many people appreciate what this watch brings to the table. Now, some people complained about the leather strap being too stiff at first. Here's the thing though, it gets better with time, and if you're looking for a straightforward, reliable watch, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're after a dependable, easy-to-read watch for daily wear. Skip this one if you need something more high-end or feature-packed. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if the leather strap is a concern for you, the next option has a completely different approach. Product number 2, LN LENQIN Military Watch. Next, we have the LN LENQIN Military Watch. Priced at just $9.99, you might be skeptical about its quality, but hang on. If you want a durable watch that can keep up with your active lifestyle, this is worth checking out. This watch features a shock-resistant stainless steel case that's built to last. The luminous dial makes it easy to read even in low light. With over 7,400 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, people seem to love its rugged design. Now, some users mention that the watch can feel a bit bulky on smaller wrists. But honestly, if you're looking for a watch that's tough and ready for action, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're into outdoor activities and need something reliable. Skip this one if you prefer a more refined look. For the price, you're getting a solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for a refined style. Product number 3, Fossil Nutra Quartz Watch. Coming in at $114.62, the Fossil Nutra Quartz Watch is a stylish choice. This watch initially caught my attention with its elegant cream satin dial and brown leather strap. If you want a watch that can easily transition from casual to formal, this is worth a serious look. The 40-form case and chronograph movement make it not just a pretty face, it's also highly functional. You have 3 subdials to track time, and it's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for light swimming. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 6,600 reviews, it seems like a favorite among many. Now, some folks have mentioned that the watch is a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing, if you prefer a substantial watch, you might appreciate that heft. But if you're looking for something ultralight, this could be a drawback. This is perfect for you if you want versatility in your watch. Skip this one if you prefer a more minimalistic design. It offers great value for a stylish watch. Now, if weight is a concern for you, the next option takes a different route with a lighter build. Product number 4, Citizen Eco Drive Weekender. Next up is the Citizen Eco Drive Weekender, priced at $181.40. This watch stood out to me with its unique Eco Drive technology, which means it's powered by light. If you want a watch that never needs a battery change, this is definitely worth a look. With a water resistance of up to 100 meters, you can take this watch swimming without worry. The blue polyurethane strap adds a sporty touch, and the stainless steel case ensures durability. Rated 4.6 stars from over 1,200 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its innovative technology. Now, some people pointed out that the blue strap may not suit every outfit. But honestly, if you're after a sporty watch that can handle various conditions, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love outdoor activities and want a watch that's low maintenance. Skip this one if you need something that blends better with formal wear. It's a great investment for a durable timepiece. Alright, that was an impressive option. But our last product is all about minimalism and elegance. Product number 5, Stooling Original Minimalist Watch. Finally, we have the Stooling Original Minimalist Watch priced at $59.99. This watch is all about simplicity, and it really caught my eye with its ultra-slim design. If you're looking for a clean, low-profile watch, this is worth considering. The 40mm stainless steel case and Cristerna crystal make it durable, while the minimalist black dial adds elegance. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,400 reviews, users really appreciate its sleek style. Now, some have mentioned the date display can be a bit tricky to set. But honestly, if you're after an everyday watch that's stylish and functional, this isn't a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile watch that works for any occasion. Skip this one if you need more features or complications. For its price, it's a fantastic choice for a minimalist look. So there you have it, 5 fantastic IWC watches for men. Whether you prefer something casual like the Timex Easy Reader or a stylish option like the Fossil Nutra, there's definitely something here for everyone. No matter your style, you can't go wrong with any of these choices.